Lawyers are always asking for a quick and dirty way to systematize your law business, and that's exactly what I'm going to give you today. Hi, everybody. I'm Allison Williams here, your law firm mentor. Law Firm Mentor is a business coaching service for solo and small law firm attorneys. We help you to grow your revenues, crush chaos in business, and make more money. So the quick and dirty way to systematize a business is defined by an acronym that I created called ART. Simply ask, record, and transcribe. Now, I'm going to be going into this in great detail in our free masterclass that's going to be hosted in the Law Firm Mentor Facebook group. You can sign up for that at the link that's going to be in the chat to this video. But the masterclass is going to be held February 22nd to March 2nd. It's absolutely free, so I highly recommend that you come find out more about ART at that program. Now, what is meant by ART? As I said before, ask, record, transcribe. When you are trying to create systems in your business, the fastest way of getting the information down on paper is to get it out of your brain. And sometimes we struggle with getting words out of our brain because we know that we want to make it just right. And we're so focused on making sure that the words make sense and that we have all of the details. But oftentimes the way that we write is very different than the way that we speak, and we process differently. Some of us process by writing, some of us process by speaking. But at the end of the day, you're going to have to combine both. So the first thing you want to do is invite someone into your office who does the task that you want to systematize. The asking portion is to simply ask that person what they do from soup to nuts to get the job done, whatever the process is, whether it is putting out the mail or organizing the files or filing papers with the court. The second thing that you want to do, the R stands for record. You want to get a little recording device. And if you don't have one, we all keep these little pocket computers, our cell phone. Just get a note open and start recording. The reason is that once you get someone into talking about their job, you can document exactly what they have to say by recording it rather than having to take notes. It's very important that the recording be in lieu of taking notes, not in addition to. Now, the T stands for transcribe. Now, you might be saying, oh my God, that's so much work and that costs so much money. Why would I ever transcribe what my assistant had to say? And there are a lot of very cost-effective, completely inexpensive tools that you can use to do this. So the one that I recommend is a company called Sonix.ai, that is Sonix, and it is an artificial intelligence tool. It's $15 a month to sign up for the platform, and you can get an hour of content transcribed for only $6. $6. Okay, if you can't afford $6, you're probably not in business. So I want you to really think about the idea of getting it transcribed. And the wonderful thing about Sonix, and by the way, this is like not a plug for Sonix. I don't get anything for recommending it. There are a lot of tools like this on the market. But if you have it transcribed, you typically are going to get something back by artificial intelligence that's about 90 to 95% accurate. So you're going to have to go through and tweak it. But the great thing is you already have a place to start. So once you have that transcription, you can turn it over to the person who actually said whatever it was that was transcribed, and then you can muddle it up, right? Start fixing it, moving things around, playing with it. But it gives you a big head start on getting things documented as opposed to starting from zero, which usually gets us into the art of perfection, which we know stops us from making progress. So again, I'm Allison Williams, your law firm mentor, and we're going to be going into the state of art and a lot of other tools on how to systematize your law business absolutely free at our masterclass. Sign up in the comments below. Have a great day.